guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Augusta, and if this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button down below and join this amazing YouTube family. I started out this style with freshly washed hair, and I went ahead to twist my hair. I just have a few left at the front, and as you guys can see, it's the regular twist, nothing special. And for the parting, I did a regular box parting, okay, and I used the shine and jam gel on the roots of my hair and also on all over the hair, just to keep my hair in place. Shine and jam gel is a very good gel for braiders. Like if you always do protective style, then you want to have shine and jam gel in your house, okay, because it's very good for your hair. It doesn't break out your hair, it doesn't dry out your hair, it doesn't leave flakes, so it's very good for protective styles. For the twist, I actually started out with a 3-strand braid. I did about 2 to 3 braids, then I went ahead to start twisting the hair. And guys, please make sure the roots of your hair is not tight, because this is a crochet hair. You are still going to be passing the locks under your hair, okay, so you don't want the roots of your hair to be tight, because you don't want to have any tension on the roots of your hair. You don't want any pulling or tugging on your hair, okay, while crocheting the locks under your hair. I did the medium size twist, guys, just because I don't want to end up with too much hair on my head, okay. I don't want the hair to be too heavy when I'm done, so I ended up with 37 twists. And when I finally crocheted the hair in, it wasn't scanty, it was looking very full. There was no opening anywhere, okay, so it was looking very full. So if you want your hair to end up looking exactly like mine, then you want to go for the medium size twist. But if you want to have very full hair, then you might make your twist a little bit smaller, okay. This is the hair I am using. This is a 24-inch butterfly locks. This hair was sent to me by a store on Amazon. The name of the store is ZRQ. I'm going to leave their link in my description box, okay. I'm going to leave the link to this hair in my description box. This butterfly lock is a little bit different from the other one I did. This one is more distressed, as you guys can see. It has more texture, and also the tip of the hair is coily. I was so in love with this hair when I saw it because of how textured it is, okay. I love how distressed it is, and I couldn't wait to see how it turned out after making the hair. So I went ahead to attach the hair with my crochet pin, just like your regular crochet, but the difference in this one is you're not going to be passing the locks through the loop, okay. You're going to be passing your natural hair through the loop, just because the loop of this hair is so small. I don't know why they make these butterfly locks to have very small loops, okay. Their loops are so small, so you won't be able to pass the locks through the loop, okay. So I decided to pass my natural hair through the loop. This is the Freetress water wave in 12 inches. I used this Freetress water wave to wrap the crochet hair and my hair together. I separated each piece of the water wave into 2 to 3 pieces, then I used one piece to wrap each hair, and I ended up using only 1 pack of the water wave, okay. So there's nothing special while wrapping the hair. You just want to grab the piece of hair and attach it to the root of your hair and start wrapping. And I wrapped the root of the hair about 2 to 3 times, then I went ahead to wrap the remaining hair. And nothing special, you guys can see from the video, I wasn't using any special technique. The only thing I was doing is I was trying to make sure the water wave was separated, while wrapping it. That's all. There is nothing special, no special technique or anything. You just want to wrap till you get to the end of the hair. And I didn't do anything to hold the end of the hair, okay. I just kept on wrapping it on the body. And because this locks is distressed, it has lots of texture on the body, so the water wave just wrapped around it nicely, okay. It didn't unravel. I didn't use any gel, any glue to hold the tip, okay. I didn't use anything to hold the tip. It just wrapped around it nicely, and you won't even see the tip anymore. So I'm just showing you guys the loop of the hair here. You guys can see how small it is. Like I could barely pass my finger through the loop. So this is why I am using this method, passing my natural hair through the loop instead of the crochet hair, just because the loop is very small. So if you are doing any crochet style and the loop of the hair you're using is so small, you might want to use this method, okay. You might want to pass your natural hair through the loop instead of the crochet hair itself, and you're going to get same results, okay. Now I took a piece of the water wave and I started wrapping around the hair, and just like I said before, nothing special, okay. Just wrap it around the hair. I wrapped about 2 to 3 times on the root of my hair, then I went ahead to start wrapping it around the body. You just want to keep wrapping it around the body until you get to the tip of the wavy hair. And guys, I love this method because it makes the hair look so natural. The hair looks like you did the butterfly locks yourself. Okay, nobody is going to know that this is a crochet hair. It looks so natural and beautiful. And I got this style from another YouTuber named Chef B, and there's another one, I can't remember her name right now, but yeah, I saw this style on their channel, so I decided to try it out. So I'm just going to stop talking now and show you guys this style again so you guys can understand better. I'm going to see you guys when I'm finally done.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing.
So I'm finally done with the hair, guys, and this is how it is. It turned out so beautiful. I love how textured the hair is, like how textured the butterfly locks is. This is quite different from the other butterfly locks I installed. And if you're yet to see that other video, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Okay, you can check it out, guys. It's also a crochet butterfly locks, but the method I use is a bit different from this one. Okay, so you might want to check that out to see if you're going to prefer that method. Guys, I know the pattern of my hair is not straight at all. Okay, just ignore that. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys the back of my hair so you guys can see that it's the same thing. Like, it's still looking very neat. Like, I love how this hair turned out. I absolutely love this hair. Okay, I love the texture so much. I love that the tip is coily and it's a 24-inch hair and it's not heavy. It's very, very light. And I ended up using only 4 packs because I have just 37 hair right now. And the root of my hair is very relaxed. It's not stiff at all, okay, because I didn't make it very tight. And also, you can style this hair anyhow you want. Like, you can put it in a bun, like put it up. You can do the middle part in the side parts, like anyhow you want to style it. The method is so versatile and you can do different styles with it. And guys, we finally come to the end of the video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you like the style I did? Like, are you going to try it out? And also, check my description box for the details on how to get this hair from Amazon. Okay, and guys, please, if you're yet to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please check me out on Instagram at Augusta White. I'm going to leave my name on the screen. Okay, so check me out. I usually post pictures on there. Okay, yes, so thank you so much for staying to the end of the video, and see you all in my next one. Please don't forget to leave your comments. Okay, like this video, share with your friends. Thank you. I love you guys so much. See you all in my next one. Bye.